What up with it, Q of the QT couple, and today we're gonna be checking out the FANTIKK C8 Nano cordless electric scissors. Cause we get a lot of boxes, we do a lot of unboxings and stuff like that, so this could be very useful. You see how I messed that up? Hopefully these scissors eliminate that. Here go the specifications on the back. Bang. Manual right here. You know we don't need that. Nah, I'm gonna read the manual. I'm gonna read it a little bit, maybe. Got a nice little bag right here. So let's tuck that to the side. So get your nice little bag right there. With just some blades. I don't know. Charging cord. Boom. So USB-A to USB-C charging cord right here. Alright, so we got that, put it on top of the bag. Left tilt is common for optimal cutting with most electric scissors. Let me tweak that so you can see what's going on right here. Okay. Boom, here we go. Here we go. Oh, that's a nice little LED screen on the back right here. That's real nice. Nice and clear, 100% on Eco. That little button right here, so. Let me read this thing before I hurt some. Oh, okay. So they're like a safety mechanism. So it looks like you gotta press this down, then press this. Yep. Man, we don't need no manual, bro. Nah, I'm gonna read. But if you just try to press this down, so like our kids, if they just try to get this and try to cut something, they won't be able to do it unless they know to press this down and do that. Got a nice bright LED light right there to show you what you're trying to cut through. I'm actually cut up the box that it came in a little bit. Let me see if there's any other buttons on here. Okay, at the top, it looks like you can set various power ratings right here. Bang. So you got, okay, a little dot right here, the indicator. So 1. Then you could twist it, 2. And it shows you on the back. So eco mode, regular, max. Come on now. They're gonna sweet. Also to note, we got a little replacement blade right here. Let's try Eco first. See if we can get through this little thin joint right here. Oh! Oh! I ain't gonna lie, that went right through there, like real easy. I didn't think it was gonna be that smooth. That was alright right there, hold on. That went right through there. They went right through there, man, real easy. And that was on Eco, okay. This little thing, all right. Let's do another cut on regular. So right here. Dang. So a piece of paper, if you just gonna cut some paper, this is OD, I ain't gonna lie. This is OD. So if you cut some paper, you don't need all this. Unless you just want to, you know what I'm saying? But that was on regular. Now we're gonna do another cut on max. Dang! Oh, I'm about, man, what? Let's go back to eco mode. I mean, shoot, the way eco cutting through, what you gonna need max for? Oh yeah, that's right through there. Now you're gonna have to flatten your stuff out in order to get a full cut, but that ain't no problem, man. Look at that. Precise too, nice clean cut. Oh yeah, this is one of them tools where I feel like I said, for recycling, especially with boxes, I'm gonna use it. But it's gonna be one of those, you don't use it that much, but you can be like, oh, time to grab the electric scissors, cheesing, real hard. Oh, that's fire. And I guess since it mentioned fabric specifically, if you're like, you know, some kind of clothing designer, if you want to, you know, you create your own clothing in any kind of way, you'll be able to use this pretty easily on fabrics as well. I ain't got no fabrics right here on hand that I'm just gonna cut up with that. All right, so I actually did peek in the manual, and the tool is intended for cutting flexible, soft materials up to 6.5 millimeters in thickness, such as carpet, PVC, cardboard, leather, fabrics, and similar materials. Checks out to me. All right, so this is like a pretty standard kind of box that a lot of stuff ships in. So I wonder if I put this flat like this, just typically pretty easy to flatten stuff out like that. And then I get this bad boy. Can it slice through this cardboard? If it can get through this, then we good to go. It's a cosign for me. On Eco. Oh yeah, straight to it. FANTIKK C8 Nano. Link will be in the description if you choose to cop one yourself. Till next time, it's been your boy Q of the QT Couple. Peace.